Hi everyone, time for the ShadowSense tutorial. I'm going to use a few different colors. Somebody mentioned Smoked Topaz and somebody else mentioned some Mocha Java. So I'll probably do one eye with Smoked Topaz and the other eye with Mocha Java because one of them's gray and the other one's brown. And I mean, I would wear them together, but just to highlight those colors. So first I'm going to start off with Whisper Pink. It's really light. It's almost white. I use it just kind of as a base on my eyelid. And with ShadowSense, you can put it on and then blend it for, I don't know, 10 to 15 seconds. And then it's kind of there where you put it. It's buildable. So like I could make this super, super white on my eyelid, but I just kind of put it on there as a base before I put any other color. I'll also use it as a highlight if I want, for instance, like up here, right below my brow for highlighting. But I especially when I do my eyes, I like it to be lighter in here in this inner corner, and I'll even put some shimmer, and maybe I'll do that in that inner corner. So there we go. We have the base on. Whoops. Dropped my brush. That's okay. In fact, I'm looking for all my brushes. There they are. On this eye, I'm going to do the Smoked Topaz. What I tend to do is I take, if you can see that, the brush is just like the Lip Sense brush, so it's not really ideal for application. So you can use your finger, you can use brushes. So I just take a little, goes actually a pretty long way. So with the Smoked Topaz, I'm just gonna kind of do this, put dots on, don't let it dry because it'll stay like that. So then you take a brush and you blend it. And if I was actually going for a pretty light look, that's all I do. And I don't know, you can kind of see it's gray with a little bit of greenish tint to it. But it's a really nice color. I really like it. And I thought it was going to be more green than this, but I'm kind of glad it isn't, because it's really just kind of a nice gray. So that's what I would do with the Smoked Topaz. I would just, it's really light. On this eye, I'm going to do it in shades of brown. So I'm actually going to use the Mocha Java, which Tracy requested. And I'm going to do it a little bit different with the Mocha Java. Because I showed a picture a little while, I don't know, last week, where it had a medium tone here and then a darker tone out here. So I'm kind of going to do that with this Mocha Java. I'm just going to put it on like that and blend it there. I didn't put it all the way into the corner, but blend it across just my lower lid. And like I said, it is buildable, so I could make it a lot darker, a lot more opaque. There's that. And then I really like this one. It's called Garnet, but it's not garnet at all. It's brown. And I kind of do the same treatment with that I did with the Smoked Topaz. This kind of just like this arched dot. Whoops, I got a little much there. We'll see. And I just blend it up and kind of I start at my crease and then up towards my brow. And then down just toward the corner of my eye. You don't want to get it too far this way. You don't want it past that area. Try to just blend it really nicely. All right. And then one of my favorite colors is actually, I didn't blend that super well, but it's stuck now. There we go. This one is shimmery. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. It's kind of got some sparkle. So to highlight the eye, I will sometimes, a lot of times, just put it right there in the middle. And that was kind of shown on that picture. And then just blend it out a little both ways. But you want the thickness of it right in the middle. And that's just going to add a shimmer to your eye. And Annie, you were saying you have hooded lids. I think I kind of do too. When you look down, that means this skin kind of covers most of your, or well, when you look forward, covers a lot of your lid. So the tutorials that I saw on that said to really do it more like this eye, where you have the lightness down here and only just a little bit up on the brow, or on that bone that's right there. So you're not really doing anything in the crease, and I really didn't on that eye. I just kind of did the light pink and then that gray green color up there. So now I've got two different eyes. This one, I mean, they're not that different. This one's brown and the tan tone, and this one's gray. So it's really not that hard, and I don't do it super dark. I'm actually, since I didn't blend that real well, I'm gonna make that one a little bit darker, just to make it intentional looking. So just a couple more dots of that brown. And I am gonna blend that into my crease a little more. And the good thing about the ShadowSense is where your crease is, it's gonna stay. Your eyeshadow is not going to end up looking lined on your eyelid. It's gonna stay where it is, which is nice. And I'm gonna show you too, because I'm also gonna line my eyes with the Onyx. Okay, so that's a little better. It's a little heavier than I would normally do, but okay. So now what I'm going to do is line it with the Onyx, which is black. You can also, that Garnet, if you normally line with a black brown, it's pretty dark if you put it on without blending it. So you could totally use it for that too. And I did before the Onyx came in stock. So what I do is I take a brush, and this is just a e.l.f. $1 angled eyeliner brush. And I'll take the stick. I don't even like pull it out and use the bulk of it. So I just kind of rub it there where there's product on the stick. And I go in and I just brush it right above my lash line. I need music or something. Okay, so there it is on the top. I go in, and I know not everybody lines their bottom lashes. I do, but okay. So I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how the lighting is. I'm sitting in front of a window. I tried to get the best natural lighting I could. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other eye, which admittedly I'm not as good at because I'm right-handed. Okay. All right, now I'm lined. You can see that. I need a little bit right here. So, I know a lot of people, Annie, with hooded eyes, sometimes will have their eyeliner go up and then you'll have it way up here because of the way your eyelids are. As you know, ShadowSense won't do that. This is gonna stay where it is. It's not gonna smudge or budge. It's waterproof, which I love. Okay, so now I have Lash Sense as well. This is like a conditioner and a lengthener, and then this is their waterproof black. In a tube like this, I think it is 25. I'll have to check. It's 22, 25, something like that. It might be even 20. I'll have to look. And then we also have the mascara without this side. So I curl my lashes. I don't know. I know this tool can scare a lot of people. When I do Lily's makeup, she never wants me to curl her eyelashes, and that's totally fine because I don't know that I could do it on somebody else. Just like I'm better doing this on my own eye than I am on somebody else's eyes. So with the conditioner and lengthener, I don't use a ton of it because I like my lashes to stay curled, and I find even with any I've used Uniques in the past. Any of those, if I use too much, it tends to uncurl my lashes, and I don't like that. So I just kind of put a little bit on and then touch the ends up. And this is gray. If you have gray eyelashes, it works great for that. If you want to keep them gray. But I just put a little bit on. On the bottom, I could put a lot because I don't curl those anyway. And you just let that dry a little bit. Where I started, it's dry already. I'm almost out. And I've had this since end of February. And I mean, you can see it's a little bitty bottle. And I wear makeup, I would say I average 4 to 5 days a week, especially since I started doing this and take pictures of myself in all the colors. I wear it a lot more often. All right, there we have it. So this one's a little bit more dramatic because I did it darker. And this one's just real light with the gray and the light pink. And I also have dark pinks and some other colors coming in. So let me know what you think, which side you like better. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.